Hey guys, Karen here. Welcome back, and I am here with a new possible project idea, and that is a 1-minute hack. And the idea behind these videos, I'm trying to get out more than one video a week. Well, first I'm trying to get out at least one video a week. And then secondly, my stretch goal is I'm trying to get out at least 2 videos a week. But sometimes the nature of my projects is such that they take more than a week to complete. Or they take me more than a week to complete, or like more than a day, and then I've recorded it. And then like the editing process for me is quite intense still. I'm still learning. So I'm just trying to make videos that are kind of like quick, easy to record, easy to edit, and then easy to put out. So hopefully that will be this. As you can see, we're in my bathroom again. My favorite place to film. I should probably be filming the other way so you can have good light on me. It's too late for that. We've come too far. At any rate, I have a 1-minute hack for you. Disclaimer, do not do this to an expensive item of clothing. This is just for cheapy things. I got this fun camel jacket. I think it's really awesome. I bought it at Goodwill. I want to say it was like $6 or $8 or $10. Like it was under $20, but like significantly under $20. So the point is, don't like put it on a Chanel blazer or a Gucci coat. Like this is for cheap stuff that you don't mind possibly ruining. Disclaimer, 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 warning, warning, warning. So here's the 1-minute hack. I have this jacket, as you see, cheapy, cheapy. I want to take this patch and put it on here, but I want it to be removable. I don't want it to be permanent. It's a little intense to make this into a pin, although I may make it into a pin in the future. But for now, I just want something quick, something easy. So what do? It's actually way less than a 1-minute hack. We have a strip of Velcro strip. We have our patch that I just got off of Amazon. I think I was looking up like Gucci patches or something. So this is a faux Gucci patch. You're basically just gonna see how long is your sticker, and you're gonna cut it so that it's a little bit smaller than your sticker. So maybe we can judge it like this. You're cutting, hopefully a straight line, but I'm not very good at that. And then you are literally taking one side of the Velcro, sticking it to the back of the patch, taking another side of the Velcro, sticking it to the jacket. Sorry about that. So I have this long piece of Velcro that's just the prickly side instead of the soft side. And so because of that, I have other patches that I'm gonna like take off and put on here. That's the whole idea. Like I don't want it to be a permanent patch because I have a Guns N' Roses patch that I would love to wear on this, but not today. And I have like a Panther faux Gucci patch and like roses, you know, and so like I want to be able to just put on whatever patch I feel like. And as I said, maybe at some point I will turn those into pins that you can wear, but right now I don't have any felt in the house, and I feel like that's what it would require, or some kind of backing. But at any rate, this is super easy, super quick. Again, please don't do it with your expensive clothing. Don't put it on silk. I don't know if it's gonna come off ever. So please just experiment with a very, very inexpensive. So I've cut the piece, and we said I'm gonna put the soft side on here so I can use this crunchy side that I only have the crunchy side of for the other patches. And here's the 1-minute part. Okay, we've cut 10 seconds, patch, crunchy part on the patch, and you can choose to put whichever side on whichever part you want. So the back is hard. Taking this adhesive, sticking it onto the back of my faux Gucci patch, like so. And now what I'm gonna do, I guess I'm gonna set this, oops, just kidding. I'm gonna set this up so that it's in a good place for this patch, and then hopefully it'll work. I'm gonna look in the mirror, see like where do I want it. Oh, actually, so I have the crunchy side on the back. I'm gonna take the fuzzy side and I'm gonna stick it so that it lines up with the crunchy side, so that it looks like that. Soft side is pressed into the crunchy side of the Velcro and on the back of the patch. Taking the patch and I'm looking in the mirror and putting it like, okay, where do I want it before I permanently put this patch onto the jacket, and then, or not the patch, but the bottom. So I like it about here. Just gonna keep my finger here for the top of the tiger. I'm pulling off the back of the Velcro sticky. Hopefully easily, not that easily. Thought I could do it with my teeth. I can't. What are these teeth useful for? So again, I have my finger at the top of where I want that patch to be, looking in the mirror, sorry, so I'm not looking at you. Lining up that patch, getting it straight where you want it, and then pressing the patch firmly on your jacket. Look at how cool that is. And then the idea is, hopefully, we can take this patch off and put a different one on. 1 minute hack. Again, please, please, please do not do this with an expensive item of clothing. Be safe, be kind to one another, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to vote.